Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix Instagram on iPhone. To know how to fix Instagram on iPhone, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps here, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram here. And when you will see this page, you will go down to force stop. When you will end, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, you will go to clear cache, and here you will click clear data. And after all that, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.